Hello, this video will walk you through the features of UiPath Autopilot for everyone and how to use it from the UiPath Assistant. Let's start with access requirements. You'll have access if your organization's admin has installed it and if you've been added to the Autopilot folder in Orchestrator. You'll find Autopilot for everyone in the first tab of the Assistant. When you open it for the first time, it will prompt you to enter a few personal details. These details help Autopilot tailor its responses and recommendations. Later in this video, we'll also cover how you can further refine these recommendations. Autopilot for Everyone is a conversational agent designed to boost your productivity. Using generative AI, it reads and understands your requests, then selects the most relevant automation to help you complete your task. When you open Autopilot, you'll see a few suggested actions, but you can always type in your own request. Let's try an example, extracting data from this table and saving it as a CSV file. We'll use the screenshot function, but you can also try the Capture Active Window feature to select the table. Let's move this out of the way and take the screenshot. Great, now let's enter our prompt. Extract the data from this table and store it in a CSV file. After sending the message, Autopilot analyzes the image, extracts the content, and identifies the best automation to generate the CSV file. Click Run, and the automation executes successfully. Autopilot then provides the file name and its storage location. Now, let's take it a step further and ask Autopilot to send this file as an email attachment. Again, it starts by analyzing the request and returns a recommended automation to complete the task. First-time users will be prompted to connect UiPath to their chosen email provider to enable email access and creation. Autopilot not only attaches the file, but also generates the email subject and body. You can choose to save it as a draft if you'd like to review it before sending, or you can adjust the settings to send it immediately when you click Run. Now, let's explore some additional features in Autopilot for Everyone. You can select a department to receive more relevant suggested prompts. You can review your conversation history. You can enable or disable auto-translation. You can send feedback directly to the UiPath product team. And you can adjust settings to further customize your Autopilot experience. For example, you can update your personal details anytime. You can also add user notes, specific instructions that Autopilot will take into account when responding to your requests. Let's look at an example of a user note. If my role contains clinician, when searching for blood donation information, use the Blood Transfusion Service SOP and blood donor medication deferral list documents. Always respond first with the key point bolded, followed by supporting information. This note helps Autopilot incorporate your role, context, and relevant documentation when generating responses. Next, the Data Sources and Automations windows allow you to enable or disable specific data sources, including documentation used for context grounding, and automations that may not be relevant to your work. And that's a quick introduction to Autopilot for everyone.